Oh wow, everything can go off. There we go. Charmed. Ow! What? Dumb claws? Weird. This is my kitty cat, Ian. This is my kitten. Oh, he's tired. If you are scared to fall asleep in class because you are tired, because you are afraid you're going to snore or you're going to do something else, you know what I'm talking about, I'm just not saying it on here, then comment below. I did make one of these videos and I was going to have the cat and another one. This stupid, my sister knocked the thing out of the wireless router and I had to restart it. I had to restart the whole, I had to go plug it back in. Come on, Ian. You're afraid of he's afraid of the computer because he stepped on it once and I got really mad. Oh, go ahead. Come on, just lay down. Watch this. Okay, watch. He loves being petted. This hurts, and it hurts to move. Ow! Hurts to move it. Okay, there's 4 things that you should subscribe to. I don't know how to pronounce one of them, so I'm gonna write them in the description. Make Me Bad 35, 12th of a Dime, J Unit 11, and then Austin something. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. I'm going to go ahead and stop this in a second because last time it was 4 minutes. Okay, so peace out, bitches. What the freak?